Toastmaster of the term. May I ask Rikia Basu to evaluate?
Fellow Toastmasters, welcome guests, and specifically Prabhu. First thing that I would like to tell you is that I was extremely excited about evaluating your speech because I am a big fan of Prabhudeva. Until date, whenever I heard this name, Prabhudeva, I used to be exorbitantly excited. But from today, I will remember the germination of yet another seed in our fertile grounds of PTMC. I wish your Nayantara was also beside you to encourage you in this field of yours. Now, this being your stepping stone towards your Toastmasters way of living, you started off decently. It was a decent start. Now, some things which I really liked about your speech was the flow was very nice. Secondly, you embedded in subtle senses of humor. Thirdly, your parallels. A parallel between geometry and your life. Man, I can't do that. And the last, and probably something very rare, you spoke very highly about your wife. Enthusiastic and aspirative, something like that. Two qualities you spoke. Because I have heard many icebreakers from married people in this club, and the thing that I hear from most of them is, XYZ is my wife, she hails from XYZ city, she works in XYZ company, or she is a homemaker, she has done XYZ degrees. But my wife is an enthusiast, is not something which I get to hear regularly. Okay, now coming to the areas of improvement, I would like you to work more on your diction because you are pretty good with your pauses, your pacing. So work on your diction, it will improve your speech. Secondly, one thing which you can give importance is your articulation skills. Though there is a separate project for testing your articulation skills, but if the content of a speech is the heart of a speech, the language which you use happens to be the lungs of your speech. And unless you have good language in your speech, it will never have that coveted vibe which the audience is looking for. Okay. And by the time you reach Project 4, you will be way above the mediocre level. Okay, now two suggestions that I will give quickly which will help you for your entire CC journey. First thing which you have already used in your speech, that is you have brought out the qualitative aspects of your life. Even I had started with a very unconventional icebreaker. My entire icebreaker consisted of only one story. And I was not as capable as you of bringing out so many aspects of my life. Humorous, appreciator, decision maker, whether to go with mother or whether to go with father. And explorer, you wanted to see the cities. And second thing is, try video recording your speeches even when you practice. Don't wait for Ilangovan to upload it and you watch it on YouTube. Because this is one tool which will help you improve immensely. Believe me, I corrected my body language using this tool in just 1 week's time. We look forward to many of your speeches, and you have stepped onto this club on a very auspicious day, 4th of March, when the stalwarts were battling it out. So that should be the biggest inspiration for you, and let the club be proud of bringing one more contestant for the next year. Back to you, gentlemen.
Encouraging and to the point. That is what our evaluator brought to this evaluation. I wish to congratulate both Rikia as well as Prabhudev on their